Hi everyone, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. If you are new to this channel, welcome and welcome again. On our menu today, we are making this delicious, simple salt and pepper chicken wings. Now, let's get right into it. So for the salt and pepper chicken wings, you need the following ingredients. You need some chicken wings which have been cleaned and I've cut into two. So we have the flap and the drum. And to this, I will be grating on some garlic and some ginger. And I'll be seasoning this using white pepper, chicken seasoning, onion granules, mixed herb, Chinese cooking wine, sea salt, and some black pepper. Later on, I will coat the chicken in the corn flour. Next, I will chop and set aside some veggies. I've got some spring onion, garlic, onion, and chilies. In a separate bowl, I will mix together Chinese 5-spice, sugar, sea salt, and black pepper. I will list everything in the description below. So next, I am going to grate the ginger and the garlic, and I'm adding this to the chicken before I add the rest of the ingredients. So next, I am seasoning the chicken with some Chinese cooking wine, white pepper, onion granules, chicken seasoning, sea salt, mixed herb, and black pepper. Now I am mixing everything together, ensuring that the chicken is well coated in the seasoning. I will cover using cling film and set this in the fridge to marinate for 30 minutes. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to mix the following and I'll set this aside for later use. I've got some Chinese 5-spice, sea salt, black pepper, and some sugar. Now I'm chopping the vegetables and I'll set this aside for later use. I'll be chopping the chilies, onion, garlic, and spring onion. After 30 minutes of marinating in the fridge, I removed the chicken and allowed it to sit for about 5 minutes before I coated it in the corn flour. Ensure the chicken is well coated in the corn flour before deep frying, because the corn flour is going to give the chicken that crispiness that you're looking for. Now time to fry the chicken. I'm using my deep fryer to fry the chicken. Once the chicken is all golden brown and it's cooked, I remove them from the deep fryer. I place them on the bacon rack to allow any excess oil to drain off. In a pan, add butter and allow the butter to melt. Once the butter is melted, add the vegetables and allow the vegetables to saute for about 2 minutes. To the sauteed vegetables, now I'm going to add the chicken wings and mix everything together. I also added the Chinese 5-spice, the salt, sugar and pepper that I had mixed earlier, and I sprinkled everything on top. And now you have yourself some homemade Chinese salt and pepper chicken wings, which is crispy on the outside, soft and succulent on the inside. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you at the next one. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your bell notification icon. Bye.